How to deposit money without card in the Bank of America on an ATM machine. So the very first thing that you'll do is you'll have to go ahead and intact and download the Bank of America through your Google Play Store. Now, once you have logged in, make sure that the specific account number that you're trying to use on depositing or withdrawing to a certain machine is going to be the same on your application. Now from there, you'll have to connect your current account to the app, and by then you'll have to visit their official site for you to be able to find the closest financial center or the closest ATM machine at your current location. Now, once you've done that, all you just have to do is just to log into your account using your fingerprint or your 4 to 6 digit code on using the Bank of America application, and you should be able to deposit money without using your card. So basically, you can do both. It's either you can go ahead and withdraw or deposit a money in the Bank of America without using your card. So that's it.